how to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix Spotify playing random songs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that whenever you launch Spotify app, you're playing a specific song from a playlist. So let's say that there is a playlist over here that you've created, you're playing a song. Now instead of playing directly the next song on the playlist, what it does is that it is actually going to play a random song from the playlist. And before we get to fix this, you have to understand why this happens. This happens because there is a feature on Spotify called Shuffle, and you can only turn off Shuffle if you have premium. Yes, that is the truth, because Spotify does not let you turn off Shuffle unless you have premium, because here you can see the Shuffle option. If I just tap on it, if I want to turn it off like this, it says want to play songs in any order, get premium to play any song. And I think that this is a really bad move, because they just want users to switch to the premium version and pay to listen to songs. So unfortunately that is the only thing you can do. You just need to explore the premium option and then just go to the premium tab and subscribe to it. Then you will find this Shuffle icon, which is going to be able to turn itself off. Now if you don't know how to get premium, you can just come here, tap on the get premium option. Now, if you're on iPhone, just try to log in from your browser and just select how you want to pay with the Spotify or Google Play, depending upon whatever you prefer over here. And this way you can fix Spotify playing random songs. So this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.